I've been using Google AI Studio for a while now. And in this video, I'm giving you my honest and unbiased review of whether it's actually worth your time in 2025. Google AI Studio is a browser-based platform that lets you build and test with Google's latest AI models, including Gemini 1.5 Pro. It's clean, intuitive, and built to help both beginners and developers experiment with AI without getting lost in complex infrastructure. One thing that really stands out is its support for multimodal inputs, meaning you can work with text, images, audio, and even video all in one place. Whether you're testing prompts, generating summaries, or building app features, the Studio makes it quick and surprisingly smooth. Plus, there's a free tier, which is great if you're just exploring or testing light workloads. That said, it's not without drawbacks. Some users have noted a slight learning curve when it comes to using more advanced features, especially if you're coming from simpler tools like ChatGPT or Claude. And since the platform evolves rapidly, occasional UI updates can feel disorienting at first. Still, the integration with Google's wider ecosystem, like Drive and Firebase, is a huge plus for anyone already in that ecosystem. It's also well optimized for real-time testing and has great performance on both small tasks and more complex builds. So here's the verdict. If you're a creator, student, or developer who wants to start working with Google's top AI models in a serious but accessible way, Google AI Studio is absolutely worth trying out. It's not the most beginner-friendly at first glance, but once you get the hang of it, it becomes a powerful tool for building AI-driven projects. I hope this review helped you out. If it did, support the channel with a super thanks, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews. See you in the next one.